Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best fall dog toys is probably one of the most exciting things for your furry friends as the leaves change and the air gets crisp. From durable fetch toys perfect for outdoor adventures to cozy plush companions for indoor snuggles, we've curated a selection that promises hours of fun and engagement. Join me as we explore the top picks that will keep your dogs entertained and happy throughout the autumn season. Number 5. Native Pet Omega-3 Fish Oil for Dogs and Cats. This fish oil supplement is designed to promote a shiny coat, healthy skin, and strong joints. It's a great way to keep your pet feeling and looking their best. Made with wild-caught pollock and Alaskan salmon oil, this supplement ensures the highest quality. It contains no added fillers, just pure, premium ingredients to support your pet's health. This supplement is packed with essential EPA, DHA, and vitamin E. It supports your dog's immune health, joint mobility, and overall vitality. This fish oil is packed with omega-rich nutrients to support skin, coat, joint, and heart health. It's made with clean, effective ingredients and no added fillers. This supplement fights off skin troubles with omega-3, 6, and 9. It supports a shiny coat, reduces shedding, and promotes healthy skin. This fish oil supports heart health and eases stiffness. It keeps your pet moving like a pro. From playful pups to senior dogs, this supplement is a must-have. It's an easy, tasty upgrade to any routine, supporting skin, coat, and comfort. What we like? This fish oil supplement is packed with essential omega-3s, 6s, and 9s, promoting a shiny coat and healthy skin. It also supports joint health, keeping your dog active and comfortable. If your dog suffers from dry skin, excessive shedding, or stiff joints, this supplement is a great choice to improve their overall well-being. What people say. It helps him finish his entire bowl of food and makes his skin and coat so soft. It makes Smudge's coat shiny, and super soft. I swear it's even helped with reducing shedding. I've noticed their fur looks shinier and softer since using it. Number 4. ZippyPaws Squeakie Buddies, Halloween Edition. Get ready for some spooky fun with these toys. This pack includes a bat, a pumpkin, and Frankenstein's monster, perfect for Halloween or any day of the year. Tired of the mess? These toys are stuffing-free, which means less cleanup for you and more fun for your dog. They're designed for hours of interactive play. Each toy has a large blaster inside for maximum squeakiness. The engaging sounds will keep your dog entertained and provide enrichment during playtime. Made from soft fabric, these plush toys are perfect for dogs of all ages. Whether they're a playful puppy or a senior dog, they'll love the comfort and fun. The unstuffed design makes these toys durable and lightweight. They're easy to toss, fetch, or carry around for fun-filled play sessions. What we like? These Halloween-themed toys are designed without stuffing, reducing mess and increasing durability. Each toy includes multiple squeakers to keep your dog engaged. If you are looking for a fun, interactive toy that can withstand some rough play, this is a great choice. What people say. The toys are well made and durable, even for aggressive chewers. The variety pack is great, offering different textures and shapes to keep dogs entertained. The toys are designed with fall themes, which is a fun touch. Number 3. Nestpark Parody Star Pups Pup'kin Spice Latte Dog Toy. Start your day with your best friend. This toy lets your pup join in on your coffee ritual. Now, you can enjoy your morning java with your loyal companion. Get ready for some fun. This toy has a built-in squeaker that will keep your dog entertained. It's the perfect way to keep them engaged while you relax. Looking for a great gift? This funny dog toy is perfect for any dog lover. It's a fun and unique present for birthdays or puppy parties. This toy is the perfect size for all dogs. At 6.5 inches, it's great for small, medium, and large dogs. Both girls and boys will love it. We want you and your pup to be happy. If you're not completely satisfied with the toy, let us know. We'll make sure everything is taken care of. What we like? This coffee-themed toy is designed to look like a Pup'kin spice latte, perfect for fall. It features a squeaker to keep your dog entertained. If you like to include your dog in your daily routine, or are looking for a fun gift for a dog lover, this toy is a great choice. What people say. The toys are very durable and have held up well to my dogs playing with them. The toys are a great size for my dogs and they love playing with them. The toys are very cute and festive for the fall season. Number 2. ZippyPaws Burrow Replacement Miniz, Fall Harvest. These cute and squeaky Miniz are designed to keep the fun going. They are compatible with the Zippy Burrow toy. Alternatively, your furry friend can enjoy them as a standalone toy trio. Let the games begin with these interactive plushes. They keep your dog busy, engaged, and mentally sharp. Your dog will enjoy hours of hide-and-seek excitement. Each set comes with apple, corn, and pumpkin Miniz. They are designed to keep your dog entertained. These toys provide exciting and engaging sounds for enrichment during playtime. This multi-pack of interactive dog toys is recommended for small and medium dogs of all breeds. However, it is not recommended for extra tough chewers. Whether your dog is a playful puppy or a seasoned senior, this plush toy is perfect. It's crafted from soft fabric to provide the ideal balance of fun and comfort for all life stages. What we like. These Miniz are designed to be used with Zippy Burrow toys, providing hours of hide-and-seek fun. Each toy has a squeaker to keep your dog entertained. If you are looking for a toy that stimulates your dog's mind and keeps them engaged, this is a great choice. What people say. She's broken the squeakers, but the stitching is still fine. My dog loves these toys. They are a perfect size for my Shih Tzu. Very durable. My Pup'kin loves these, very durable, she hasn't popped squeaker yet. Number 1. ZippyPaws Pumpkin Pie Plush Dog Toy. Even your dog deserves a fall treat. This plushie is inspired by the fall season. It's a great way to get them in the spirit. This toy features a delightful design. It has lattice detailing, rippled edges, and a dollop of whipped cream on top. It's as cute as can be. This extra tough toy can withstand some serious chewing. It's built to last, so your dog can enjoy it for a long time. The toy is made with 2 large round squeakers. They will keep your best friend entertained with every bite. It's sure to be a hit. This fun plushie is the perfect toy for dogs of all sizes and life stages. It's easy to clean, too. Just machine wash it on a gentle cycle with mild detergent and tumble dry low. What we like. This pumpkin pie toy is designed with a delightful design. It is made with sturdy construction to withstand chewing. If you are looking for a fun, fall-themed toy that is durable and entertaining, this is a great choice. What people say. The toys are well made and durable, even for aggressive chewers. The variety pack includes a good mix of toys, such as plush squirrels, ropes, and balls. The toys are designed with fall themes, like pumpkins and leaves. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.